uKimi Makwetu ethula umbiko wesimo sezimali somasipala okugcina njengoba isikhathi sakhe njengomcubunguli omkhulu wamabhuku kahulumeni sizophela ekupheleni konyaka. Umbiko uveza ukuthi lenyukile kakhulu izinga lokuxhashazwa nokwebiwa kwezimali zomasipala kuleli. Omasipala abayisishiyagalolunye kwaba yishumi kuthiwa bachithe izimali ngokungekho emthethweni kwalahleka imali ebalelwa kumabhiliyoni angama-32 amarandi. Kutholakala nokuthi omasipala bachithe imali engaphezulu kwebhiliyoni lamarandi beqasha ongoti abazimele ukuthi benze umsebenzi okunabantu abaqashelwe wona umasipala.
Madibeng has got a budget in its finance department of 33.6 million for the year. This is a budget for the people who are employed to carry out financial management activities. So that's the total finance department salary according to the financial statements. But Madibeng for this year attracted consultants to come and help them in the finance department for an amount in total of 35.4 million.
What's become evident from the report of the AG is that instead of deploying the resources in addressing the controls in the municipality, what tends to happen is the resources are deployed to sort out the reporting and preparing the financial statements. Now, if the controls are wrong, then preparing the statements is not going to solve your problem.
This picture before us can only change if at a management level and at a leadership level we are held accountable to ensure that we strengthen our resolve of extracting accountability using the existing levers provided in our legislation.
Lombiko utsho nokuthi bawela kumashumi ayisikhombisa nesikhombisa omasipala abasesimeni esibi kakhulu ngokwezezimali abasengcupheni yokuwa phansi noma yinini. Ngibongela uMcwaningi SABC eGoli.